It's Bassman SL. I just got through putting all my highs just about in. I got 2 more tweeters to put in the front doors, but I'm gonna let y'all hear and see a sound test and see how it sound. I'm gonna play that DJ Rustical Express 30. Well, it's just gonna be mostly highs. I'm just gonna play that, let y'all hear how it sound, and just check it out, see what it sound like. Tell me what you think about it. Comment and leave and subscribe in my YouTube inbox.
Bringing you to fire, DJ Rusticals.
Still loud. You can see it's pretty loud. I'm way back. And I can still hear it. And I'm gonna bring it in and let y'all hear me coming in. Real crystal clear. Still ain't through. Got 2 more tweeters to put in there. And I'm still working on it. This coming off my DJ Rustical pack. This Bassman going out, just getting y'all just a little taste of what the tweeter sound like, and I'm out.